Hey, what's up guys? I'm standing here at Bigfoot Discovery Museum, Felton, California. I found this on Atlas Obscura. I know this is not history, but something interesting. So let's go and explore what's inside.
The legend of the Bigfoot in the Santa Cruz Mountains started in an article in 1870 by Derek Dog. Wild men of the woods and mythic grizzly bear hunt summer sunrings. At the Felton camp, one such remarkable specimen of womanhood regaled us with a blood-curdling account of a wild man of the woods that infested the forest thereabouts, and which had developed a hospitable habit of prowling around the camp at night and uttering dismal cries, indicative of a gloomy desire to lunch on the fattest young lady of the party. The fact that these so-called wild men are greatly on the increase in this part of the country has been widely commented on by newspapers, as though there were anything strange about their origin. Every confirmed camper out will recall numerous instances when certain members of his company have mysteriously disappeared from among their fellow lunatics. These deserters do not sneak off home as is commonly supposed by the others. There are doubtless thousands of just such miserable beings in the vicinity, and the Santa Cruz County authorities are beginning to consider the advisability of putting a price upon the scalps of these woodland creatures in order to protect the local hen roost and the still greater industry of this section, which is the leasing of camping grounds. That's just a section of the article about the Bigfoot. Now let's go and check out the museum itself. The Bigfoot Discovery Museum opened in the Santa Cruz Mountains of Central California in the spring of 2004. Michael Rugg and Paula Yar are co-founders of the Bigfoot Discovery Project, or BDP. They accept the subject of the Patterson-Gimlin film, the famous blurry Bigfoot film, as the main specimen for the Pacific Coast Bigfoot. The cliff itself is an important part of the museum. The museum exists to educate the public at large about the probability of a big, hairy cryptid Bigfoot and the current best guesses as to its habits and its sightings. The museum mixes educational displays and serious evidence. Visitors will see many Bigfoot artifacts, including footprint casts, a local sighting map, Bigfoot video, skulls, Bigfoot-related pop culture, and more. Glass cases contain skull reproductions, bits and pieces of compelling evidence, and a fragment of a Bigfoot tooth. In movies and fiction, Bigfoot has often been represented as the most friendly of monsters, a goofy wilderness dweller who avoids human contact. The owner, Michael, is the man behind the counter, so feel free to ask him any questions about the museum. He has been avidly amassing Bigfoot-related items since he was a kid in the 50s and 60s. The wall of books behind the wooden counter are part of Michael's research library. The range of titles shows a broad appreciation of monster literature, such as the Mothman Prophecies, Bigfoot Observer's Field Manual, Sasquatch, and The Ape Among Us. Take the time exploring the museum and be enlightened on Bigfoot theories, migration patterns, and reasons why both the scientific community and the government are unwilling to acknowledge the presence of Bigfoot. Outside is a diorama with a 9-foot-tall Bigfoot folk art sculpture and a line of wood carvings of the creature.
So guys, this wraps up our little exploration of the Bigfoot Museum here in Felton. Until next time guys, bye.
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on guys, hit the bell.
For notifications.
And don't forget to share.
And like!